Welcome students. In the last period we have conducted resonance of aryl halides or haloarenes. In the resonance structure of haloarene we have seen that the negative charge or negative electron cloud is delocalizing in the benzene ring, and the key atom, that is halogen, is present on benzene ring. This key atom influence the incoming nucleophile to attack at ortho or para positions. Means halogen is ortho para directing group. That's why whenever the new electrophile when attack on benzene ring, it can attack on ortho position as well as on para position. And we have discussed about the major and minor product. Ortho product is always minor product, para product is always major product. And I have also told you the reason is steric hindrance, steric crowding. Okay, now we'll see chemical properties or electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes. First we will start with halogenation. Number one is halogenation. This is benzene ring. Okay, now we'll take chlorobenzene, we'll attach chlorine. Okay, chlorobenzene on reaction with, or we can say reaction takes place by reacting haloarene with halogens in presence of ferric salt. For example, we are taking chlorine in presence of ferric salt, anhydrous FeCl3. Now anhydrous ferric chloride favors the electrophilic reaction. It converts the Cl2 into chlorine electrophile, and then chlorine electrophile will attack at ortho and para position. Now what happens, we'll see. This will be the compound. Chlorobenzene on reaction with chlorine in presence of anhydrous ferric salt gives para-chlorobenzene and orthochlorobenzene, or we can say that 1,4-dichlorobenzene, and we can say 1,2-dichlorobenzene. This is the halogenation. After halogenation, we'll see next reaction. Second reaction is nitration. Nitration means addition of NO2 group. Addition of NO2 group, or we can say that reaction with nitric acid. नाइट्रिक एसिड से ही NO2 ग्रुप ऐड होगा. NO2 group is a electrophile. NO2 is a electrophile. It forms NO2 positive ion, that is a electrophile. Now chlorobenzene on reaction with on reaction with nitric acid HNO3 in presence of sulfuric acid. Actually, what we will do, first we have to prepare mixture of both acid, concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. We have to take in equal quantity, and this mixture is known as nitrating mixture. Concentrate H2SO4 plus HNO3. This is nitrating mixture, and the product of nitration is 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene. ऑर्थो पोजीशन पे 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene. 1-chloro position number 1, position number 4, 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, or we can say para-nitrochlorobenzene, or we can say ortho-nitrochlorobenzene. This is nothing but nitration. Now, third one reaction is sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation, again we will take chlorobenzene, then sulfuric acid. For your convenience, we will write HOSO3 H, 2 hydrogen, 1 2, 1 sulfur, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen, 3 and 1 4 oxygen. Okay, so in place of H2SO4 we can write HOSO3H, means sulfuric acid, but थोड़ा सा राइटिंग पैटर्न डिफरेंट है. HOSO3H, sulfuric acid. Now what happens? Sulfonation. We will write sulfonation here. Now what we can say? We can say chlorobenzene on heating with sulfuric acid gives ortho and para chlorosulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid. This is chlorine. Chlorine will remain as it is because the reaction is taking place on a ring. Now this is what we will do. We will break this bond. यहाँ पर एक हाइड्रोजन है, इस हाइड्रोजन के साथ में ये OH को निकाल देंगे, मीन्स -H2O हो जाएगा, -H2O, and this SO3H group will take this position and link with this carbon and forms SO3H. This is 1-chloro. This is 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. यहाँ से नंबरिंग करेंगे हम, बिकॉज नंबरिंग डिपेंड करता है फंक्शनल ग्रुप की प्रायोरिटी पे. ओके, यहाँ पर 1 2, यहाँ पर हम लेंगे इसको 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. This is a minor product. This is a minor product. And the major product will be, this is the major product. Okay, यहाँ अटैच कर देंगे SO3H. This is 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. So this is about the sulfonation.